Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic air expands on heating. That is, hot air is lighter than cold air. As we know, air expands on heating and occupies more space. Now, when the same air occupies more space, it becomes lighter. This means that hot air is lighter than cold air. Now you can show that by the one activity which is given here. First we take two paper bags. All we see here two paper bags are there, and take one wooden stick. Now at the two ends of the wooden stick we hang these two same size of the paper bags in inverted position. Now in the second case, in this figure, we heat the paper bags out of two bags with the help of a burning candle. So here we, after sometimes after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, we observe that the one bag, that left side of the bags will be moves up. Why it moves up after some times? Because the air inside the inverted paper bags, that gets heated and it expands, and that's why all of you know the hot air becomes lighter and the paper bags moves in the upward direction. So here we observe that hot air is lighter than cold air. This observation can be explained as follows. When a burning candle is placed below the left side of the paper bag, the air above the candle flame gets heated. The hot air, being lighter, rises up and fills the left side paper bag. Since the left side paper bag now contains hot air, which is lighter than cold air present in the right side paper bags. Therefore, the left end of the wooden stick, here all if you see, left end of the wooden stick moves in the upward direction with respect to the right side paper bags. So from this activity we can say that air expands on heating. Thank you.